Welcome to our EVS class. Children, in this session, we are going to recall about all the concept in chapter 13, our country. Children, can you tell me about our country? Children, which is our country? Yes, India is a very big country. It has world's second largest population. Children, can you tell me which is the capital of India? Yes, the capital of India is New Delhi. Our country has 28 states. It extends from Ladakh in the north to Kerala in the south. There is Gujarat in the west and Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Children, can you tell me about father of the nation? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. He helped India to gain freedom from the British rule. He is known as the father of our nation. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Children, now we are going to recall about national symbols. See, our country also have some national symbols. These symbols are important for identity of culture of India. Now let us recall about national anthem. Children, listen. We sing Janagana Mana in the morning assembly at school. It is the national anthem of our country. It was written by the great Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore. We must always stand straight with hands on our sides whenever we sing or hear the national anthem. We do this to show respect of our country. Children, now we are going to recall about national song. Children, can you tell me which is the national song of India? Yes, Vande Mataram is the national song of India. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. He was a famous poet and writer. This song inspired the freedom fighters of India. So it is known as the national song of India. Children, can you tell me about a national emblem? Yes, the national emblem is another national symbol of India. It is made up of four lines standing on a circular base. These lines stand for courage and power. You can see only three in the picture because one is at the back. There is also a horse on the left and a bull on the right of the wheel in a circular base. Children, now we are going to recall about national flower. Can you tell me which is the national flower of India? Yes, lotus. Lotus signifies knowledge as well as purity of heart and mind. Children, can you tell me which is the national bird of India? Yes, peacock. See, peacock signifies grace and pride. That's why peacock is called the national bird of India. Now we are going to recall about national flag. See, our national flag is known as tricolor because it has three colors: saffron, white and green. See, saffron stands for courage and sacrifice. It teaches be brave. White color in the flag tells us to be truthful and live with peace. Green stand for progress and growth of the country. See, now we are going to recall about national animal. Children, can you tell me which is the national animal? Yes, tiger is the national animal of India. Tigers are strong and powerful. They run fast and are good at swimming. Indian tigers are famous all over the world. Now we are going to recall about national fruit. Children, can you tell me which is the national fruit of India? Yes, mango. See, mangoes have been grown in India for thousands of years. These are hundreds of varieties of mangoes in our country. So it is considered the national fruit of India. Children, can you tell me which is the national tree of India? Yes, banyan tree. It gives shade to a lot of people. It grows root from its branches, which go down into the ground and form new trees. It teaches us to live together with unity. So it is considered as national tree of India. Children, can you tell me which is the national sports of India? Yes, hockey. Hockey is the national sport of India. It is a team game where each team has 11 players. Hockey is played with stick and a ball. Indian hockey team has won many awards in international sports. Now it's time for homework. Do question number 7, 8, page number 58, 59 in workbook. The question is, take the correct pictures of the national symbols of our country. Next, draw the national flag of India and color it. Also, tell the importance of each color, what they stand for, and the space provided below. Next, do question number 9, page number 60 in workbook. The question is, circle the 5 Indian states hidden in the given crossword and write them in the space provided. Uploaded work through Google Classroom app, children. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.